Welcome back. Now we're going to start using this date part functionality that's available in Custom Reports to actually gain insight. So you remember in our last video, we had moved to using the date part function. This is new, as I record this, a new option in HubSpot Custom Reports. And what this meant is we now can see all the contacts that were created in a January of any year, 2013, 2014, 2015, right up to 2022, as I record this. Next, though, we spotted, well, hang on, July seems to be a good month. Wonder why that is. Well, what would be good here is to be able to break this down by the year. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go to create date, and I'm going to drag this down to the breakdown column. Initially, it's going to give us an error, and you might think, well, hang on, what's going on? Too many data points. It's getting confused, and that's because we've actually got an x-axis on month and a breakdown by month. So what I'm going to switch to here, instead of monthly, is yearly, and watch what happens. This will make sense as soon as it refreshes. Okay, we've still got this same one, but if I hover over, okay, July was big, but it was only big in a particular year. So where have we got to? We've actually used date part month for count of contacts being created and then breakdown by year, so that we can hover over any one of these and actually see the breakdown per year in each of these months. So that's all well and good. You might be thinking, okay, great. How does that help us? Let's further hover over, because watch what happens here. 2017 was a big year. I can actually click these on and off to level out or reduce certain what we'll call outliers or larger results that tend to skew the actual results. I'll bring it back in. You can see the difference. There you go. So this is just a simple benefit. We've set up probably the simplest report in HubSpot Custom Reporting. We've used the date part functionality, and then we've used breakdown, and then ticking these on and off just to get us greater insight, allowing us to drill down. Okay, so that's possibly not that useful when it comes to contacts, but start thinking about other objects that you might use. Deals, for example. And not only deal numbers of deals, but what about revenue from deals? What about tickets? Is there seasonality? Are there certain years where we saw trends that were outliers or perhaps skewed our overall results and averages? This is the power of custom reporting. Stick around, because in future videos, we're going to cover even more of these and dive into real-world examples.